Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I am doing an unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription box. And everybody know the coveted black box looks like this. And let's see what's all in here. So let me take this stuff out. Okay, so here we have a 100-day sticky note. So I guess like any habit that you wanted to like learn, or a habit you want to break, you could do it for either one. You got the 100-day tracker. What is your focus? Say you want to start waking up at 6 o'clock. Wake up at 6 o'clock. Notes, do not hit the snooze. Start August whatever date to end whatever the 100 days is. You can also do this to focus, to break a habit of biting your nails. Notes, like get nails done, or use gel polish, whatever it is that you would like to do. And then like every day that you accomplish it, you can just mark it off. You could do it with a pencil, a marker, a dot marker, whatever kind of marker you like. So I do like these. You get quite a bit. You get 50 sheets, and they're 4x6. They're matte finish. And let's see. So the stickiness starts right here. So you could put them, like if you have an A5 or personal, you can just like put it here. If you want to like keep it track in your planner, you can keep it on your desk and mark it off every day that you do it. So I probably will keep mine on my desk along with my Kanban board. And so like for my goals and projects I'm working on, like as I work on them, like use one of these sticky notes to denote like the thing I'm working on, and to make sure I'm working on it, use this to keep up with it. So we have this. Then we have, I don't know where to go next. We'll go with our journaling cards next. We have stickers and stuff in this green color. We have a dashboard from the reading planner in this green color, so you can like make this work. And it says wellness is a connection of paths, knowledge, and actions. Joshua Holtz. And then on here it says bien être. Bien être. Bien is good. Extrait, I'm not sure. I think it's French. Out of all the languages that I speak, French is not one of them. And this one says motivation. Motivation. And it says is what gets you started, and habits is what keeps you going. So I like this. They kind of in that same, they're not the exact green, but they're in that same green family, so you can make it work. Our folding October card. I just been cutting these down and putting them in my everyday carry now, so I'll just switch my July out for October. And so it says AG1's nutrition is made powerfully simple. Athletic greens, I guess that's what the AG stands for. And it gives like you get a pamphlet on what AG1 is. Great nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. And it kind of tells you what's in it, what's not in it. Some nutrients, helps with gut health, and how to drink it. Mix 1 scoop of AG1 or 1 AGI travel packet with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water and drink. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put me a water bottle in the freezer, let it get really cold, and try it for today. So receive a free 1-year supply of immune supporting vitamin D plus K12 and 5 AG1. Oh, okay, with your first purchase. So I'm gonna try it and see if I like it enough to make a purchase. It says 2024. Don't wait to take control of your own story. So this basically lets us know that the 2024 is coming, or they're already here at this point. So this is the cover art for 2024. Like this is the cover page. So this journaling card is basically showing like the 2024. This is actually really nice. And this is the what's inside card. Let me put this off to the side. And so we got some pins here and some refills. These pins are actually really nice. They got a little weight to them. They're Uniball, so you get 2 Uniball refills, 1.5, 1.38. And so here's the blue one. And it says Uniball 1. This is the 0.38. Let me get something to write on. Okay. And here is the 0.5. So you can tell which one's a little thicker, but they both write really nice. Let's see. No smear. So they dry quickly. So we get these 2 pins. Put this back where it goes. And so we get these AG1 Comprehensive and Convention Daily Nutritions. And we get 5 12 gram individual packets. So I think these are the travel size. So we get 5 of these. And it's 50 calories, total carbohydrates, has everything you need in here. And it doesn't say like if you do like 1 a day, 1 every other day. Diet friendly, so if you're vegetarian, vegan, paleo, keto, and low carb, it fits all of those, which is good. And so you don't have to refrigerate them. Take 112. Okay, so it's the same thing. Drink before breakfast on an empty stomach, or is recommended by your healthcare. Okay, so here's how you take it. So I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm actually going to try one of these today before I start work. I don't really eat breakfast anyway, so but I haven't eaten anything. So you do get 5 of these, and it's made in New Zealand, so it has a lot of facts about that. So I'll put this up. Next is this. I don't know what this actually is, but it's like some kind of storage. Oh, it's a recipe card set. Okay. Let's figure out how to open this. Okay, so you open it at the top. Now let's pull everything out. Oh, quite a few things in here. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, so I really like this. This is a clear acrylic kind of storage box. So I like this. I'll probably use this for something else. I don't really keep recipes. I probably should, because a lot of my grandma's recipes I actually do have. And I don't really think anybody else have them. So I probably should start writing them down. So you get 3 dividers. And you have sticker sheets to put what each divider is. So I like these. I might actually make mine, like make some like this, and then do like my maternal grandmother's recipes, my paternal grandmother's recipes, and then like something that I would like to make. I don't know. We'll see what happens. And then this holds your extra, so it's an empty box to hold your extra recipe cards, and this says Bon Appetit. So here it has preparation. Just going to take one out. Maybe not this one. Alright, so it says recipe, info, serves, prep time, cook time, total time, ingredients. And so then like whatever you need to prepare it, how you would prepare it. So like homemade rolls, you need some yeast, you need hot water, you need flour, quite a few other things too, but I don't want to give too much information away. Oh, it's not. There we go. So I don't want to give too much away what you would need for that. And then like you could probably serves and notes and then like put on the back how you will prepare that all together. So like this. This goes back in here like this. I'll be struggling to get stuff back in packaging. This is why I hate taking stuff out until I'm ready to use it. And the front of it says Bon Appetit. So I'm just going to put these in their box for right now. Until I decide if I actually want to use them for the intended purpose. Put this off to the side. Put that in the trash can. Put that to the side. Oh, sorry. Got a lot going on over here. Alright. So next is our actual inserts. So here's the icon stickers. I wish I had my host stickers ones close to me, but I don't have them too close at this moment. So pull these out, see what we got. Here we go. So you have two of like that starts with a B. I can't think of the name of that color. One of the colors are on here. Nope, I don't see the colors on here, but they kind of and they kind of have like a grayish white look to it. And so you have like activity stickers here, mood stickers, and here you have like meal prep, timing, like food related ones here, water. And then you have the same thing, just in green. Yep, so you basically, oh, yep, you have the same thing but in green. It's upside down, that's why it didn't look right. Yep, there we go. Here we go. Like, this doesn't look right. Okay, so this is what we have in the green. So those are nice. I like to get more than one color. So here is our dashboard. Our dashboard says well-being, nutrition, movement, and alignment. I'm debating if I want to do like my health planner separate next year or keep it in my planner. I think I do better with just like a main planner, but I know for sure I'm removing my finances because I do better with my finances being by themselves. The box got stuff all on my desk. So here's the wellness log. First we're going to do the activity tracker. I like that they keep giving us the cover page for what it is. And the back is just notes. And then we have a activity tracker. So we could put like running, walking, whatever it is we want to put here. And then we can use the stickers to track it. We can put a highlighter, a pen, exit out, check it, whatever works for you. Then there's a priority section and an action plan section. So you could put like 10,000 steps a day or something along those lines. And there's always basically like a how-to page. So here we go. Pickleball, doctor's appointment, morning yoga, X them off when they happen, priorities, daily exercise, clean, yoga class sign up, start a workout plan, create a schedule. So that's what these look like. See the same thing on the back. Oh, the back is just notes pages. And I think the whole stack is that. Yep. So the whole stack is the same. Now a wellness log. So the back, it has wellness log, wake up, sleep hours. Oh, it's like a tracker. And it has Monday through Saturday, so you use this every week. Hydration, bedtime, and you put any notes and reflections. So this is what you would track. And it's front and back. So you have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. You get 31 weeks, which is 8, 16, 20, 24, 28. So you get like 7 months worth, a little over 7 months worth. And then it gives you here, wake up, sleep. So I was trying to I was going to get me a sleep tracker, but I think this would be great. And I can track how many hours I sleep and any notes, like put what my sleep quality has been and reflections on the bottom. So this is perfect. So this is all the stuff that we got from Cloth and Paper this go round. This is actually a pretty nice box. I'm not a recipe person, so I don't know what I'm gonna really do with that, but I may actually start keeping recipes. This right here is amazing, and I don't really like food stuff because I have very sensitive like digestion system, so we'll see. But I am going to try it. I'm probably going to try it today. And here's all of our stuff. We got this box has like quite a bit of stuff. What I've noticed, August boxes always tend to be some of the best boxes. I would say June, July, August, and November. Just because we know we're going to get November is probably why I like it. Those are probably like around my favorite boxes. But these are the things. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remember, don't let life happen to you. You happen to life. I'll see you in another video. Peace.